Hi guys, another bit of 3D printing. Lighting's a bit odd. Another one of the designs from LoboCNC on Thingiverse, or Jeff Kerr as he is on YouTube. It's not a Stomp Rocket, I just got his name written on this bit of paper. It's a jumping beetle. I did try printing it without the raft and had problems, so I printed it with the raft this time. I'm just looking at that. I hope it's not going to snap as I try and get it off. I'm sure if I pulled it like that it would break along the legs there because they're a bit thin. If I bend it this way, we should be okay. This bit is actually a spring. Bend it down, yeah, it goes onto there, and when you push that down again it releases, and that springs the beetle up in the air. And these are the legs. So I'm trying to be careful getting them off because I can see weak points in them. And they'll break straight across there because that's the layers of the PLA I've used. Right, that should help separate it. Yeah, if you push there, I'm sure it would break. But here, I'm going underneath, so that should prevent it breaking. Okay, well there we are. Now, he did explain carefully in his write-up which way the longer legs are supposed to point. I can't remember whether they point that way round. There's a longer leg there. Or that way round. We'll find out when we try and get it to jump. So I won't glue them in place or anything. That was a good job I checked the video. I had the spring upside down. It was never going to work the way I had it. It's got to be that way up, not that way up. It's never going to come loose like that. That way, you're pushing it off the hook. That springs down and he springs up. But apart from that, I had the right idea about where the longest leg goes. It's at this end. So I will still glue that in place in a minute, but we'll just see if we can get it to work. Yeah, that worked. Right, I'll glue the legs on and we'll have a proper go. I'm trying to set this up so we've got some idea of how high it jumps. Right, you can see that, can't we? Oh, that was disappointing. It jumped higher than that on the table. Yeah, that was more like it. Can you see any markings on that? Yeah, just about. I'm guessing maybe 30 centimetres, 300 millimetres. I'm guessing about here. No, not at all that time. I'm probably losing some springiness in the spring now, aren't we? Oh, that was better. That went right up here somewhere. That was 40 up there. Yeah, we're doing about 40 centimetres, or 400 millimetres. Yeah, I would call that a success. He does say don't store it like that because the PLA loses its springiness. So when you've finished with it, make sure you release it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.